Hi there, Manuela Marcheggiani from Isomers Skincare. We're manufacturers of problem-solving skincare, and I'm a cosmetic chemist with over 30 years experience in product development, formulation, and skin. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the skincare routine and what happens to your skin in your 20s. So in your 20s, you're not a teenager anymore, but you probably still may have some acne, still acne-prone skin. So the idea in the 20s is to have a skincare routine that is going to help keep your skin nice and clean, get it clear, but also protect your skin, because you're not really concerned too much of visible signs of aging, because technically you're not really going to see a lot of those visible signs of aging until your 30s. But in your 20s, it's more about exfoliating your skin, getting your skin really nice and clean. So one of the things in your 20s that you want to do is you want to make sure your nighttime skincare routine is very thorough. In nighttime skincare, you want to cleanse or double cleanse. Take that makeup off. Don't go to bed with the makeup on. You don't want the makeup to be embedded in your skin. And if you happen to do that once or twice a week, just think about all the bacteria that's living on your pillowcases by doing that exercise. So that should be enough to remind you want to clean your skin every day. You want to exfoliate. Either you're going to do a scrub kind of exfoliate, or you're going to use a chemical kind of exfoliant, AHAs and BHAs. So that's going to be something really great for you as well to have on a daily or every other day routine. Reason is, with acneic prone skin, you have a lot of sebum. You want to keep the skin clean, but you want to keep the sebum, the oils in the skin, not too much. You want to kind of get ahead of it. So your beta hydroxy acids will do that, and your alpha hydroxy acids will just have those cells turning over nicely on the surface. Do that as well to keep the skin under control. The other thing that you may want to consider, if you have severe or really problematic acne, start to incorporate a low dose retinoid or go see a dermatologist for a retinoic acid to use once or twice a week. That's it. Because again, that should help with that acneic skin. And of course, hydrate your skin and protect it with sunscreen. The key things to your skincare routine in your 20s: keeping your skin clean, exfoliated with good cell turnover, keep those oils, especially if you're acne prone, at bay or under control as much as possible, and use sunscreen. Sunscreen is going to be something that's very important because it's going to help protect your skin, and that's really a really good investment to make in your 20s. For a lot of, you're going to prevent a lot of more deeper, more intensive treatments that you're going to have to do later on if you start investing in your skin now and protecting it with sunscreen. Hope you enjoyed our conversation on skincare in your 20s. Please like and subscribe to our channel and share the video, and I look forward to your questions and comments. Thank you so much for spending time with us today. Talk to you soon.